Introducing alias variables across datasets. In Stata 16, we introduced the frame suite of commands to work with multiple datasets and memory by saving each dataset in a frame and linking them using a common variable. Now we introduce alias variables that behave like a copy of a variable but use very little memory. In Stata 18, you can create alias variables for variables in linked frames using the new fralias commands. Just type fralias add, specify the variables you would like to create aliases for, and the frames you would like to create them from. Then you can use alias variables like any other variable, making it easy and memory efficient to work with multiple datasets. You can even save this set of frames with the new frame save command. Learn more at stata.com.